work. In the bustling city of Projesa, there lived a young woman named Maya. From a young age, Maya had learned the value of hard work from her parents, who were dedicated farmers in the outskirts of the city. They toiled it under the sun, nurturing their crops with love and sweet. Maya harbored a dream of becoming an accomplished botanist, exploring the secrets of nature's green tapestry. To achieve this, she knew she needed an education beyond the fields of her family farm. With unwavering determination, she enrolled in the city's prestigious university, determined to excel. Her days were a whirlwind of lectures, research, and late-night study sessions. Maya absorbed knowledge like a sponge, drained by a burning passion to understand the intricacies of plants and ecosystems. However, the path was far from easy. She faced challenges and setbacks, often struggling to balance her academic pursuits with the farm. Through it all, Maya's work ethic never wavered. She would rise before the sun, tending to the fields with the same care and diligence her parents had instilled in her. Then she would rush to the university, where she immersed herself in her studies, fueled by a fire that seemed endless. As the years passed, Maya's hard work began to yield fruit. She conducted groundbreaking research, discovering new species of flora and uncovering secrets hidden within the natural world. Her dedication garnered recognition and respect from her professors and peers. Yet Maya remained humble, always acknowledging the roots from which she had sprung. She knew that her success was not solely her own but a testament to the lessons of hard work and perseverance passed down through generations. One fateful day, Maya received news that her research had earned her a prestigious scholarship to continue her studies abroad. It was a moment of triumph, a testament to the power of relentless effort and the pursuit of a dream. With a heavy heart, Maya bid farewell to her beloved city of Projesa and set off for new horizons. She knew that her journey was a testament to the transformative power of hard work and she cared with her the spirit of her family and the lessons of her humble beginnings. Years later, Maya returned to Processa, not just as a accomplished botanist, but as a symbol of what could be achieved through unwavering dedication. Her story inspired generations, reminding them that with hard work, determination, and a burning passion, any dream could take root and flourish, much like the fields of her family farm. Tata, bye bye, thank you. Subscribe and like my channel.